It's a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. Spunky and stylish, this SUV was built to impress. Whether it's a trip to the beach, the commute to work, or picking up the kids, this sporty crossover is ready for anything. The multifunction steering wheel will help you keep in control of things, and you can always listen to your music with the auxiliary audio inputs. Safety is just as important as looks. It has four-wheel anti-lock brakes, stability and traction control, and multiple airbags.
Ward off the chills with the heated seats. Don't worry about icy buildup when you have the heated windshield washer jets. The multifunction steering wheel helps keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel.
Flexibility and style reign supreme in this Santa Fe. Come on in and take it for a spin today.
JM Lexus, the world's #1 Lexus dealer since 1992. We're conveniently located just east of 441 on Sample Road in Margate, Florida, just west of the Turnpike.